We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Matrices and Determinants. This question is on the concept of the determinant of the adjoint of a square matrix A. This question has appeared in the joint entrance examination main held on 26th June 2022 in the first session. The given question is, let capital A be a 3 by 3 invertible matrix if the determinant of adjoint of 24A is equal to the determinant of adjoint of 3 times adjoint of 2A. Then determinant of A square is equal to, we are given 4 options. Option A 6 power 6, option B 2 power 12, option C 2 power 6, option D 1. We have capital A 3 by 3 invertible matrix. It's given determinant of adjoint of 24A is equal to determinant of adjoint of 3 times adjoint of 2A. Then required to find determinant of A square from the given 4 options. That is the given question. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We have capital A 3 by 3 invertible matrix. What do you mean by invertible matrix? A matrix which has an inverse, multiplicative inverse. That is, the matrix A is a non-singular matrix. That is, the matrix A, its determinant is not equal to 0. Invertible means its determinant not equal to 0. Right. We recall these 2 results. If A is an invertible matrix of order n, A is an invertible matrix and its order is n, that means it is a square matrix of order n, then the first result says determinant of k times A, where k is a constant, is equal to k power n determinant of A. Agreed. The second one is the determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power of n minus 1. So these are the 2 results which we will be using in the discussion. Right. We take what is given to us. Determinant of adjoint of 24A is equal to determinant of adjoint of 3 times adjoint of 2A is equal to, first we use adjoint of some matrix. Adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power of n minus 1. Therefore, determinant of 24A to the power of 3 minus 1, that is square. That is equal to, here also adjoint of this one. That means determinant of 3 times adjoint of 2A to the power of n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 square. So we have used this one. Agreed. We write this one as determinant of 24A whole square is equal to determinant of 3 times adjoint of 2A whole square. This is same we have written. Now we go inside and we see what is the determinant of 24A. A is a 3 by 3 matrix. Therefore, it will be, we use first result. Therefore, k power n, that is 24 power n, where n is 3. 24 cube into determinant of A and whole square. It is inside the bracket. Agreed. Now here also 3 is a constant. 3 will come out because it is a 3 by 3 matrix. 3 cube into determinant of adjoint of 2A. We are using the first result. Agreed. This will imply 24 cube and square, that is 24 to the power of 6 into determinant of A square is equal to 3 cube square, 3 power 6 into determinant of adjoint of 2A whole square. Now we will attack this one, that means we will write further. So that is equal to 3 power 6 into, the square is outside, and determinant of adjoint of 2A is determinant of 2A to the power of 3 minus 1, 2A square. So that is the second one we are using. So now again we go inside. Determinant of 2A square and square, that is determinant of 2A whole to the power of 4. Now for determinant of 2A we write 2 cube into determinant of A. So that is 3 power 6 into 2 cube into determinant of A whole to the power of 4. Now raised to the power of 4, that will be equal to 3 power 6 into 2 cube whole to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 12, determinant of A to the power of 4. Agreed. So that means 3 power 6, 2 power 12, determinant of A to the power of 4 is equal to 24 to the power of 6, determinant of A square. Now determinant of A is not equal to 0 because it is invertible. So cancel determinant of A square on both sides. You will get 3 power 6, 2 to the power of 12, determinant of A square is equal to 24 to the power of 6. 24 to the power of 6 is, 24 is 3 into 2 cube. 3 into 2 cube whole to the power of 6 is 3 power 6 into 2 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 6, that is 2 power 18. So determinant of A square is equal to 24 to the power of 6 by 3 power 6 into 2 to the power of 12 in the denominator. For the numerator it is 3 to the power of 6 into 2 to the power of 18 by the denominator is 3 power 6 into 2 to the power of 12. 3 power 6 cancels. 2 power 18 divided by 2 to the power of 12 is 2 to the power of 6. Thus determinant of A square is 2 to the power of 6. That is what precisely we wanted to get the answer. And let's look at our options. Our answer, determinant of A square is equal to 2 power 6 appears against option C. Therefore, the answer for this question is option C. That is a question based on the determinant of adjoint of A from the section Matrices and Determinants. It is an interesting question. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem. I wish you all the best. Thank you.